Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today you guys get a weekly report. I was supposed to have a weekly report ready this morning. It is Monday evening, the end of the day. So I thought I better film one because I said Friday I'd have one ready for you guys. Fact is, I actually had one ready and I just didn't like it. It wasn't good enough. I didn't want to waste your time. So I deleted it and we'll just do one now. So where are we at? The big block Ford, our friend Doug is redoing the new carburetor for it right now. It's getting a 750 double pumper on it. See if we can wake this thing up a bit. And we'll be very close to getting the burnout machine on the road. It's currently turned into the garbage truck. That's where we throw all the metal. So yes, the burnout machine is getting close. Should be running by the end of the week. The 69 Bronco has a new fuel tank in it. I'll just pop a picture up right now. That is a fuel tank from Tom's Bronco Parts, which I will do a review on it when I'm done. But it's in. I just have one fuel line to hook up and the filler line and the breather line, and that's ready to fill up with fuel and fire this thing up, hopefully. And well, yeah, then we get to put new wheels and tires on it tomorrow and try it out on the road, see what it's like. So the Bronco is hopefully going to be alive tomorrow. The twin turbo F150 box has been a ton of metal work. All these little repairs everywhere. But it's all the metal work is pretty much done. Now it's grind all the welds down and fill it. Do the bodywork thing that Mr. White loves to do. So yes, we had a lot of rust repair to do on this thing. This box became our parts box, so it's got lots of holes in the floor of it. But it is what it is. We needed parts. Can't get the parts right now. We did what we had to do. Sorry, stumbling over stuff here, trying to back my way out. And we got the cab back from the sandblasters today. It was just some light duty sandblasting they were doing underneath, that kind of stuff that we really didn't want to spend hours grinding. And we picked up the sub box. Now this is just a test fitted sub box. The actual new box will have 1-inch MDF, but that is the measurements of it. And will have 2 Rockford 12-inch subs in it. And just so you can see how actually big it is, clearly that's not going to fit behind the seat of a standard cab. Now I got to hear the sound system was all set up in this box when I went to pick up the cab over at Total Hardcore Canadian Customs, and that thing makes so much bass. It is just, for me it's too much. And his goal is to make the glass actually wave. He really seems to want to make the glass move like a wave. I've never seen such a thing myself, but apparently there's enough stereo equipment going in this thing to make it do that. So yeehaw. And I believe we are any day now, our engine parts should arrive for the 302 that's getting built, the new manifold, and we are almost at the stage where we get to rebuild that whole CX Racing twin turbo kit. That is, I believe, scheduled in by the end of the week. If not, the first of next week, that'll begin. Lots of weird, crazy stuff I never imagined us having to do. 49 Chevy Big Block happens to just be sitting here in the way. We're currently not working on it. Yes, I got my supercharged Big Block sitting with my 69 C10 chassis. I just have not had time to finish cleaning the rest of the inside frame. We're still waiting for our Amazon pressure washer sandblaster kit. Has not showed up. It's supposed to be here in June sometime. I'll probably have the frame ready before it shows up. Let's go in the little primer room. So on the F150 twin turbo build, we no longer have any door handles in the doors. All new metal been welded in. We have the door popper kits. We do not have a kit for the tailgate, but it no longer has a handle. We have to find a kit that'll work with that, but there's some weird designs going on with this tailgate on what it's going to do when it's done. And the hood is ready for another coat of primer. But we're getting there. The Mercedes. Lots of work getting done on that in the spare time, here, there, and everywhere, fixing all them little weird issues we came across, like all the dents in the metal that was pushed in everywhere and just filled over. Well, a lot of that is now repaired. Still have to weld in the wheel tubs. Lots of little stuff. We're just kind of putting along with that thing as we go when we have spare time. And Mr. White has finally got started on his Mustang, his dad's Mustang that he is going to completely rebuild. The entire interior is stripped out of it. I believe he's getting ready to build his roll cage next. But he has begun. So that's exciting. I'm happy to see this car get built. And there you have it. We are at maximum capacity in our shop, and there's more coming. We have a gantry crane coming tomorrow. The Willys, the 42 Willys with the stainless body, that gentleman is ready to get it back in the shop. So we have to somehow squeeze that one in the next week or two. So we're swamped. We're having a good time. Hope you guys are enjoying watching. Thank you for supporting us, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.